Good day all, we are going to talk about topic paint. Paint is a liquid or semi-liquid coating material applied on walls, ceilings, wood, and metal surfaces to provide protection, decoration, and smooth finish. After drying, it forms a hard film that protects surfaces from moisture, dust, stains, sunlight, insects, and wear. Paint is made of a few basic components that work together to give color, protection, and finish. Keycap 1 pigment gives color and opacity, covering power. Examples: titanium dioxide, white, iron oxide, red, brown. Keycap 2 binder, resin, holds the pigment together and helps paint stick to the surface. Determines durability and finish. Examples: acrylic, latex, oil, alkyd. Keycap 3 solvent, liquid, makes the paint spread easily. Evaporates after application. Examples: water, water-based paint, thinner, mineral spirits, oil paint. Keycap 4 additives improve special properties, help with drying time, smooth finish, fungus resistance, gloss, etc. Paints are classified into two types: water-based and oil-based. Water-based paints. Water-based paints use water as the primary solvent. They dry faster, have less odor, and are easy to clean. Water helps the paint spread smoothly on the surface. After application, the water evaporates, leaving a solid paint film. These paints dry quickly, usually within a few hours. They have very little smell, making them suitable for indoor use. Brushes and tools can be cleaned easily with water, without chemicals. Water-based paints are classified into two main types: distemper and emulsion paint. Distemper is a traditional water-based paint that has been used for many years, especially in economical construction. Distemper is made by mixing chalk or whiting, lime, natural pigments, and water. Chalk gives body and smoothness, lime acts as a weak binder, and pigments provide color. Since water is the solvent, distemper is easy to apply and economical. It provides a soft matte or dull finish, which reduces glare and gives walls a simple, clean appearance. However, the bonding strength is low, so the paint film is less durable. It cannot withstand moisture and gets damaged when washed, making it unsuitable for areas exposed to water or frequent cleaning. Distemper allows walls to breathe, which helps reduce minor dampness, but it can powder or peel over time. The color options are limited compared to modern paints. Uses: low-cost residential buildings, temporary structures, interior walls and ceilings, areas where frequent washing is not required. Distemper paints are also classified based on the type of binder used into acrylic distemper and synthetic distemper. Acrylic distemper. Made using acrylic resin as the binder. Water is used as the solvent. Provides a smooth and uniform matte finish. More durable than traditional distemper. Better washability and color retention. Resists mild moisture and fading. Uses: interior walls of houses, schools, offices, and areas needing a better finish at moderate cost. Synthetic distemper. Made using synthetic binders, such as PVA or oil-modified resins. Stronger binding than dry distemper. Gives a clean matte finish. Moderately washable, but not waterproof. More economical than emulsion paint. Uses: interior walls and ceilings of residential and commercial buildings. Emulsion paint is a water-based paint made by dispersing resin and pigments in water. Its main components are: Keycap 1 pigments. Provide color, opacity, and hiding power. Example: titanium dioxide for whiteness and coverage. Keycap 2 binder, resin, holds pigment particles together and binds paint to the surface. Common binders: acrylic, vinyl, or synthetic resins. Responsible for durability and finish. Keycap 3 water, solvent, acts as the carrier and helps in smooth application. Evaporates after application, leaving a solid paint film. Keycap 4 additives, added in small quantities to improve performance. Include thickeners, antifungal agents, dryers, preservatives, and defoamers. Oil-based paint uses oil or organic solvents instead of water. It is known for its strong finish and durability. Oil-based paints use linseed oil or alkyd resin as the binder and thinner, mineral spirits as the solvent. When applied, the solvent evaporates slowly and the oil reacts with air, oxidation, forming a hard, glossy, and durable film. These paints take longer time to dry compared to water-based paints and have a strong smell. Cleaning of brushes requires thinner or turpentine oil, not water. Characteristics: slow drying, strong odor, high durability, smooth glossy finish, good resistance to wear and moisture. Common uses: wooden surfaces, doors, windows, furniture. Metal surfaces, grills, gates, railings. High traffic areas where durability is needed. Exterior elements exposed to wear and moisture. Advantages: forms a hard and durable film. Gives a smooth glossy finish. Excellent adhesion to wood and metal. Resistant to moisture, stains, and wear. Long-lasting compared to distemper. Provides good surface protection. Painting is an essential finishing process used to protect surfaces and enhance appearance. It improves the durability, strength, and life of materials like walls, wood, and metal. Different types of paints, such as water-based and oil-based paints, are selected based on the surface, usage, cost, and environmental conditions. Proper surface preparation and correct paint selection ensure a smooth finish, long-lasting performance, and aesthetic appeal. In short, painting is not only decorative but also a protective and functional treatment for buildings and interior elements.